Yeah, they down with this. Cause they down with this.
Looking for first points here at the southern end of Te Aki Tua Rotorua. Strong carry there, mai ngā Paumua. Going to the blind side now, Tukotai Richard Stefo running through two defenders. Just inches short of the line there, this young man from Wongotaha. Chisholm with the clearance, finding his next pod there. Now letting it fly, finding McGarvey. McGarvey trying to get on the outside. Took away to Owen with the try there in the left-hand corner there. Younger brother to Kirsten Case. Case, of course, being a long-time 7 of the first 15 here. Shout out to Case Vanderhayden. Mr. Ice Veins himself. Cool, calm and collected. Rotorua inching forward. Having a good driving maul there. Kei te kōkiri rātou ngā Paumua o Rotorua. Rotorua forwards driving forward. And a try scored there. We're going to try and look out and see who that was. Vanderhayden, the unsung warrior, carrying strong. Good nudging forward there by Rotorua. Looked like Captain Te Ariki Rogers clearing the ball now. Off to Weaver. Weaver using his strength. Try. He piro anō kei a Rotorua. The Rotorua forwards led by Cody Renata there with another strong carry. Chisholm using his light footwork. Getting in and around the ruck there. Advantage being played here to Rotorua. The old pick and go. No advantage there, and it looks like Chisholm may be down. Tukotahi Richard Stefo hoping to look to put into practice all those hours of training at the Ngongotaha domain. And he makes the nudge, taking the score out now to 27 points to 0. Under the post.
Oh,
the black dot Meki. They find Hutchings. Paitana kōkiri whakamua, good drive there by Rotorua. Inching forward towards the line. Look for Vanderhayden, who'll be in the boot. This impressive number 2 from Rotorua, Chiefs 18's representative and New Zealand Barbarian. Looks like a try there. Let's see who comes up with it. Fetu there with his hulking strength now being shown. McGarvey go, Tommy Macbeth go, Tommy. Tommy with a fine pass to Tokowaitua Owen with another score there for Rotorua, taking the score out to 37 points to 0. So Te Ere Mana Hatu Edmonds Huriwai with the feed. Te Ariki off the back again. Kicks the ball into touch, does Rogers. Now full time. And now back to back. And winners of the 2025 Bay of Plenty Secondary School's first 15 competition is once again the Rotorua Boys High School, who have beaten old foes Tauranga Boys College by Tauranga Moana 37 points to 0.
Everybody that I know, yeah, they down with this. Cause they down with this.